this is Kanachi Arts, and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel, and together we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay guys, since it is December 1, and for every start of the month, we will draw my dog and her female counterpart, right? Because this is my way of telling you guys to be positive and be optimistic in life. Okay, because we have so much in life that we should be grateful for and be thankful for, right? Just like here in my channel, I'm so thankful for you guys in watching my videos, and I hope that I can give inspiration and creativity to each and every one of you. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far. So the thing that I'm going for in this illustration is sort of like a positivity and optimism for the piece. Okay, so that's the feel that I'm going for. So the way I do that is to incorporate shape language. Okay, so shape language, just like in this one, is the emphasis of a certain shape to convey emotion. So for this thing, I've used circles, okay? So I'm gonna shade this thing and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, welcome back. So here is the progress of our piece so far. So the thing that I want to share to you, especially when you are deciding whether to use hard or soft shadows, because those two are very important in conveying three-dimensionality in your illustration, is to know your light source. Okay, so the closer the light source, just like on this one, this Christmas lights, and the closer the light source, the harder the shadows, and the farther the light source, the softer the shadows. Okay, so I'm gonna find this thing and I'll get back to you. Welcome back guys. So here is the progress of our piece so far. So now I'm gonna show you how I create my highlights for my illustration. So I create a new layer, okay, and set it to screen mode, okay, and then whenever I'm doing highlights, okay, I always pick up the lightest color of the part that I'm going to incorporate highlights, okay. So in this case, this is the lightest yellow here. So I'm gonna do this Okay, and then when I'm doing highlights in the hair, I usually erase it at the end tip, okay, to create sort of like a hair gradient thing. I don't know if that's a thing, just to give an idea that this is a hair. Okay, so I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, welcome back. So we're done with the illustration and I'm so happy how it turns out because it really gives the vibe of positivity and optimism that I'm going for this illustration. So since we're done for this illustration, next time I will do Supergirl for my birthday episode. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I will make up for my mess last year for Supergirl, right? And that's all for this video, and stay positive everyone. Cutie, say bye bye. Bye bye.